Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from TK Bodycam, and the title of the video is Grandma Thinks She Can Terrorize the Park Without Consequences. Let's get into it. Let's see what they talking about. All right, let's do it.
C2 traffic stops that instantly go from 0 to 100.
44, you can eject traffic. 10:15 at 10:43 hours.
Stop. Stop the car. 10:46, St. John.
Oh, Grandma bugging.
Stop the car. Stop it. Stop the car. Get out.
I did.
Get out the car.
Why?
Because I'm telling you to stop. You're not stopping. Get out the car.
Why?
Get out the car.
Why?
Because I said so. Get out the
How
car.
come?
Get out the damn car. Get out. Before I rip you out. Get out. Ma'am, get out the car. Get.
Hey, Grandma. Hey, listen, Grandma. You better act right now. You better act right, boy. Cause that cop about to get you together real quick, boy.
Out the car.
Please?
Yep.
Get out
Let's
the
go.
car.
Okay, stop it.
Put your hands behind your back. Get on the ground, put your hands behind your back.
Grandma thought it was a game, huh?
Tonight, 10:46, one secure.
10:44. 46 radio.
Roll on your side. Sit up. What are you doing? I'm telling you to stop back there. You're laying on the horn. You won't stop. You try to evade me.
Can I get an unlock, please?
Oh, what?
An unlock?
Unlock what? Your
A key to
handcuffs?
unlock.
No.
Why?
Because I'm trying to figure out what you're doing.
I have no clue. I don't use glue. You want to switch sunglasses?
No, what is your problem? Who are you? What are you doing? You don't see me standing right there?
I can't see out of these.
Are you okay mentally? Is there
Can't
something
get up.
wrong?
Can you help me up?
I'm not letting you up. Why would I let you
I
up?
can't. I've been hurt.
Okay, well,
Sit down for a second and just talk to her.
What are you talking about?
the fact that I'm standing right there and you about hit me with your car.
Oh, okay.
You're laying on the
I
horn.
need to go to the bathroom.
Where are you going?
Done.
Where are you
Done.
going? All right. I didn't know where were you.
What's your name?
Oh yeah, she a Looney Tune for real, my boy. She a Looney Tune for real. She don't know what's going on, boy.
Where's my glasses?
They're probably in your car, but what's your name?
My name?
Your name.
T-E-R-A.
Tara? What's your last
Where are
name?
my glasses? I can't see.
Is this your car, Miss Tara?
My eyes are...
Okay.
She was doing donuts over there in the parking lot. She is being arrested. I told her to stop. She was laying on the horn over there. Drives right by me. I'm telling her stop, stop, stop. She won't stop. She tries to basically get out and get away from me. So because of that, she's being arrested. I tell her to get out of the car. She refuses to get out of the car. So she's getting hit with resisting and fleeing in elude. All right, and then criminal mischief depending on the damage. So we're gonna release the car to you.
I'm her mother.
Are you the RO of the vehicle?
No, that's my other daughter, but she isn't able to drive it.
All right.
But she took the car by force,
All right.
basically. I mean, today she was supposed to have some doctors come and evaluate her, but the police were there yesterday and made a report because she's just very readily disturbed.
Alright, so obviously she was over here. I'm not sure if these are also her.
I mean, honestly, it's raking and I can stick a roller on it. I mean, 'cause, yeah, we're talking the labor and just bringing equipment out here, $1,000. Because we ain't, I mean, if it was a fresh field and they had grass, now we're getting into some money. But we don't want, the grass is hurting anyway. If there was turf out here, it could be in the 5,000 to 10,000.
She didn't have a kid with her, did she?
No. So you guys want to pursue charges on this? The $1,000?
Yeah, hell yeah. Stupid enough for people to do this shit.
Tara was charged with reckless driving, criminal mischief, failure to obey law enforcement officer, obstruct without violence, and simple battery on law enforcement. She is innocent until proven guilty.
Roll your window down.
Yes, sir.
I need your license.
I don't have nothing on me.
You didn't have your seatbelt. You didn't have your seatbelt on.
I got it on.
You didn't have your
I
seatbelt
got
on.
it on.
Open the door. You didn't have your seatbelt.
Roll down your window. I ain't got nothing on me. Who said anybody got it? Who said you had anything on you? Please don't stop you on a traffic stop because they think you got something on you. It's probably because of traffic violation, okay? Like, come on, man.
I'm not opening up nothing.
Give me your
You're
license.
not pulling me over.
Give me your license.
You're not pulling me
Give me your
over.
license.
You cannot pull me over.
You did not have your seat. If you
I do have
listen,
my seatbelt on.
if you don't get out the car, you're under arrest.
You cannot arrest
Listen,
me.
you are now under arrest. Get out the car. 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 Get out the car.
Oh, I'm out. I'm out.
Get out the car. I'm out. Get out the car. Hurry up, park. Get out the car.
It's crazy how that works, huh? You ask politely, but the only thing that they understand is violence and force. Why can't you just act right in the first place? You know, why is that so hard? Get out the car. No. He busts your window. Now you want to get out the car. Now you good. But now it's too late. now you got a busted window too that you got to pay for. Genius.
Like, what are y'all doing? Do y'all see this?
Pepper spray? No, get out the car.
Are you serious? Oh my God.
I tell you to get out the car. You get out the car.
You're under arrest.
For what? For what? I didn't do
Resisting
nothing.
because I told you to give me your license.
I don't have my license on me. Sir, I don't have my license on me, okay? But like, you're being aggressive with me.
Have on your seatbelt. I told you to give me your license. Yeah, pull over here.
You
Direct them.
You broke
Listen.
the window.
Listen. Listen to me.
Wow, like this is all on a dash cam too, right? This is on dash cam, right?
Oh, absolutely. It's on camera.
Let me grab my
Okay.
this box out of here.
Wow, this is crazy. You're detaining me for nothing.
No. I
You
told
are
you
detaining
listen to
me.
me. You did not have on your seatbelt. I explained to you didn't have on your seatbelt. I needed your license. What did you tell me?
I put my seatbelt on.
That does not make a
and then
difference.
y'all taking my
Go.
car?
And correction, you're not detained. You are under arrest. Better know the difference.
It's not even my car. That's my mother's
Listen,
car.
you are now under arrest for resisting.
Can I please
Get in the car.
Listen.
Get in the car or you will be pepper sprayed. Get in the car. I'm not going to tell you again. Get in the car.
I need to contact my mother.
Get in the car.
Okay, but I need to contact my mother, officer, please. That is her vehicle.
Get in the car.
Okay, but that's her car. Like, why are y'all taking me to the police department?
Listen, I'm telling you, y'all gonna love to call my mama t-shirts, man. I got to call my mama t-shirts too. You know what I'm saying? They all say that, and you know they all say that. Wait until the merch drop, man. I'm telling you, wait until it drop, man. Y'all gonna like it, man. I'm telling you, it's gonna be clean. It's gonna be clean. You know my thing. You see the setup. You see the setup. Look at the look. It's classy over here. Black and gold, baby. Look. act right. She ain't want to act right. They gonna get you together. They gonna get you together. Oh, I gotta call my mother. Call my mama t-shirts. We got that. What else she say? You got your ID? No, I don't got my ID or whatever. Whatever she was saying, right? We got that too. We got that too. We got the no ID t-shirts too. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Y'all want to see one of them? Y'all want to see one of them? Nah, I ain't gonna show y'all yet, man.
Not booking.
You're not taking me to booking?
First stop is the police department and then booking.
But why am I being arrested for resisting arrest if I was never, like what y'all doing is illegal.
I understand what you feel.
I'm gonna fight this in court.
Well, you have your option of fighting this in court.
I am gonna fight this in court, and y'all gonna pay for all of this.
Yeah, by law, you have the right to fight in the court.
I didn't do anything wrong. Nothing. Absolutely nothing wrong. I did nothing wrong.
I got you.
And then he's gonna take my phone.
Jaquanda was charged with resisting an officer and knowingly driving with suspended license. She is innocent until proven guilty.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.